Catalyx Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Catalyx Wallet app has been making waves in Canada's crypto scene, but is it truly secure and user-friendly, or just another exchange wallet? Let's explore the pros, the cons, and what makes Catalyx stand out. Catalyx is both a cryptocurrency exchange and digital wallet platform based in Canada. Its goal is to make crypto trading and storage easier for Canadian users while keeping everything compliant with local financial regulations. Let's begin with the pros. Catalyx offers a smooth all-in-one experience. You can buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies without leaving the app. It supports major assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as several emerging tokens. One of its biggest strengths is regulatory compliance. Catalyx is registered with Canadian authorities, meaning it follows strict anti-money laundering and know your customer policies. That adds a layer of safety many global exchanges lack. Another advantage is Canadian dollar CAD integration. You can fund your account using e-transfers, wire deposits, or bank transfers directly and cut no need for currency conversion or third-party services. The wallet also emphasizes security, using both cold storage and encrypted hot wallets to protect funds. Two-factor authentication and withdrawal verification further enhance protection. However, there are some cons to note. First, Catalyx is region-focused, meaning users outside Canada may not be able to access all its features or FAD services. Another issue is limited coin selection compared to larger exchanges like Binance or Kraken. While it covers major cryptos, altcoin traders might find the offerings restrictive. Additionally, like many exchange-based wallets, users don't technically hold the private keys, meaning true self-custody isn't available. In conclusion, the Catalyx Wallet app is an excellent option for Canadian users looking for a regulated, convenient crypto trading and storage solution. The surprising truth? It's not a global wallet powerhouse, but for Canadians who value safety and simplicity, Catalyx checks nearly every box.